Morning. My name is William Gustavo Guaycal Miramar. I am 38 years old. I am from Colombia. I speak Spanish. I am speak English very good. Excellent. I am very social person and easy to communicate. I am very cheerful and funny. I like to travel and share out know different places, interact with people from different cultures. I like to climb mountains. I like to walk in natures. I like to swim in rivers. I like to like new experience and adventures. I have knowledge in culture, history, geography. I have an survival course. I like to learn new things. I am learn and planning and managing tourist routes. I am tour guide. I like what I do. Thank you.